First, watch this video. Isn't it looks cool? In this video, I will tell you how you can make such videos in just 1 to 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open CapCut application in your mobile phone. Then click on New Video and choose your video from the gallery. Now, click on the video from the timeline. Scroll a little bit and find Duplicate and duplicate it. Then choose the duplicate video, scroll a little bit and find Overlay and click on it. Then move the overlay video to the very first of the timeline. After that, select the overlay video, scroll a little bit, and find Filter. Then search black and white. And choose the perfect one for your video. After that, select the overlay video, scroll to the very end, and find Mask. Then choose the circle mask and click on Invert. Make the circle mask very small and place it where the man is touching the tree. Now, move to the very beginning of the video and add a keyframe there. Then move to the timeline where the man touched the tree and add another keyframe there. Then move a little bit ahead and make the circle bigger such that the entire video got covered. And that's it, your video is ready. You can also play with feathers if you want. And finally, once satisfied, click on Export to export it. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more such amazing tips and tricks.